Hello, everyone. I have an old 5.2 Laravel app that I'm going to be bringing to the new version. For this, I'm be using Rector. I don't know if you've ever tried it. It's supposed to update your apps, if I got that right. So let's try it. I've used it once for just a few minutes, and I want to see how this works and if it can really update this really old app that it's really not working. We have a lot of work here to do. This should be fun. I'll be doing this to train my Laravel knowledge because I've been off of it for a little while, so it should be a fun thing to do. So first, let's see how we install Rector. I think this should have Laravel package, but let's try it. Rector, Laravel. Does this brings anything? Let's see this first link. So, Rector upgrade rules for Laravel. What will this do? This package is a Rector extension, and we need to pull it as a dependency. And okay, so this is for refactoring, but I wonder if this will actually update my Laravel version to the latest one. So let's try and install Rector. This should be a little while. And let's pull this package as well. Let's go and have a little read. So after that installs, we need to run this command, and we'll have a config file, and we'll need to define paths, rules, and sets to run our code. And with this one. Let's see what happened here. Let's go and see the latest message. Installation failed. Do we actually have Rector or not? We don't. Okay, what can we do here? What was the problem? The pre-update CMD event. Let's see. Okay, so we have a problem on our Laravel. We can't even open the site. So I'll try and not run this command when we finish running Composer. Let's try and do this again. It should be a little bit faster this time, I guess. Okay, what was the problem now? Let's go with all dependencies. It's an E, not an A. Again. Okay, we have a problem with Faker. Let's try and update this to a more recent version. maybe a 2.0. I don't know. I have no idea if this is going to work. Let's try it. But there was a suggestion there. No, not V1. Let's run this again. See what we can do. I'm trying to do it the fast way. If this doesn't work, we'll have to do it the right way. Oh God, this is what happens when you mess with old projects. Maybe what we can do is remove rector and update the project and then try to install it again. Composer update. Yeah, we need to remove this command again. Maybe what we can do is go to the Laravel Git page, GitHub, and pull the latest composer .json for the latest 5.2 Laravel version and see if that helps. 5.2, can we get something? So 5.2.31, yeah, let's go with this one. Let's see the composer.json and required type. It's these all the same packages. Faker, mockery, unit, CSS selector, okay. Yeah, but I think the versions are the same. Oh, they're not. Oh, they are. Oh God. What should we do? What should we do now? Laravel 5.2, PHP 559. Okay, if anyone has a tip, I'd appreciate that. If not, let's just bang our heads. There are a lot of deprecations. That is to be expected. Okay, let's go on and remove the pre-update CMD. Let's run composer update again. Oh, maybe we can add the with all versions flag. I forgot the name. Let's try and find it. What was that flag? This flag. Well, it is doing something. Maybe whatever I did, because I, I have no idea why it's working this time, but I'm glad it is. Okay, so I think we need to remove this too. Whenever my computer allows me. Because what I think is happening is that we are trying to run this Laravel commands and they are not working. That's why our installation fails. Let's go with that flag and run this once again. And a lot of yellow on screen, a lot of deprecation notices. We are going to be working to fix this. hopefully moving to a newer version of PHP and Laravel will fix all these warnings, notices, actually. This is one frustrating part of tinkering with an old application. You just want to get on with it, get your hands on it, and you are stuck with different versions, things not working. Okay, it seems that we can upgrade Carbon. I think we'll leave that to Laravel to do it. So let's try and install rector. Yay! Rector is being installed. Let's fetch the commands to install that package. It's taking a little bit, and meanwhile my computer just crashed, so a lot of fun. Is it moving? Is it not? Well, PHP Storm is doing something. I think it's going along slowly, but going along. Let's hide this. It was bugging me. Okay, so PHP Storm is syncing with the files that have been changed by the composer install. Great. Now let's install that package for Laravel. And while it is installing, we can go ahead and read on a little bit more to see how we run rector. So I always have a bit of trouble on knowing how to run these commands. I know that in Windows, I always need to do something for this to work. Let's see if we get it right on the first one. Fingers crossed. Will it work? What does this command does? It runs rector from the bin directory. Okay, but will it actually do something? I think that when I've tinkered with this, I had to pull up bash, get bash, or do something. Oh, let's stop this indexing. Do something with the command for it to work. I think it's working actually. Let's see. Oh, it did something. Okay. So we couldn't find any rector rules to run. Do we have a rector.php? Yes. We need to create it. So I think we are using rector 2.1. Let's see. How do we know that? Because from what I've read, the config file is a bit different for rector 2.1. Oh, okay, so it's available since rector 0.12. What version do we have? 0.15. Yeah, so we need to use this config with autocomplete. So if the generated file, it looks like this, we may need to adjust it. So here is our rector.php file. What does it look like? It has paths and it has rules. And okay, and what does the 2.1 look like? They look pretty similar to me. Let's see what the package for Laravel says. So to add a set to your config, use rector Laravel set lists. So I think we should use this here. And now config, okay. I wonder if we just need the sets. I mean, these are the paths of our app. So maybe let's comment this, hit that commented, and go with command. I wonder what this Laravel 90 does. Read the book. What are the constants? Maybe if we check out this class, you can see the constant. We need to continue on with the indexing. Let's just try and run rector to see what happens now. I wonder what is happening. Can we see that class now? We can't. So let's try and go with rector Laravel. Where is it? Driftingly. Rector Laravel. SRC set Laravel set list. Okay. So we have Laravel 90, so I guess will bring us to Laravel 9.0. Let's see. Config sets level up to Laravel 90. What does this do? Oh, I think this will actually update our app to Laravel 9. Let's see. Does the package documentation mention anything else? Getrector.org. I think this is the same, yeah. Does this mention the Laravel plugin at all? Maybe blog or docs? Let's try both of them. New in rector. This mentions the package. Does it mention what? Let's try and look for Laravel. Success story. full facades. No, it's just these three entries. I wonder. A mention of Laravel or packages for specific frameworks. This is going on, but is it doing something actually? Let's go on and take this time to see what else can we do with this package. Where are set lists? They are groups of rules. And what rules do we have available? I wonder, where are those rules? Configured rules. I mean, from what I think, we can set a rector to update some things for us specifically, but we should be able to tell it what to update. Well, we have the paths already working well. I think at least they are all being mentioned on the rector.php file. So yeah, these are the Laravel directories. And I wonder what rules are there. Are we able to see them? Oh God, my computer is dying. It won't even open the task manager. So we know we're on a good run here. Yay. My CPU is going up. That's always fun. Okay, so we have rules for code quality. I wonder what other rules do we have? Let's try and look at the rector directory. So rules, code quality, coding style, that go. I wonder where is, I mean, if there is a list with all these rules that we can use, it should be here on the docs, I guess. Let's run these pages one by one. I think I saw a GitHub repository with these rules listed, I think. I mean, it would be fun to have a list of all of them. Sorry. Oh, sorry. It went down the wrong road. Yeah, really at a loss. Is there something on rector GitHub that can point us in the right direction? Oh, okay. What is happening here? Ooh. So 8 files were changed. Okay, but are we still on the same Laravel version though? You can see spaces being changed. What the hell happened here? So PHP artisan -p. Yeah, it's not working. What happened to our composer.json? Yeah, we're on the same version of PHP and Laravel. So the hell did we just do? Rector upgrade rules for Laravel. So should this upgrade us instantly to Laravel 9? Let's Google it. Rector Laravel upgrade. This fetch something. Can I upgrade Laravel Rector? This is all a part of developing. You need to look for the answers you're not finding. So let's go and find those. Rector instantly upgrades and refactors the PHP code of your application. So after running that command, we should be on Laravel 9, right? What are we missing? This package is a rector extension developed by the Laravel community. So we have this package and we have done this. Laravel rules for rector. That's default value for arguments in defined versions. Do we need this? Oh, it's nice. There are 25 Laravel rector rules. Yeah, but I wanted to start with the simple thing to just bring it up to Laravel 9. Let's see this blog post. How to upgrade an application code base to PHP 8. There's an open source library called Rector, which can help you upgrade your legacy code base to newest versions of PHP in a cinch. How can we do that? We installed Rector, we created the config file. Oh, a lot of things. Ends with. Once the required configuration is done, here it is start upgrading to PHP 8. For instance, let's say I have this following file. Okay. Now to see what rector will update in this code, you can try run it, which will show you a diff. I don't want to see a diff. I want to go on and do it. And once you run the command, it will show you the diff and all the rules it used. Oh, this guy's Brazilian. If you're satisfied, and you can finally. I wonder if we need to process SRC. Let's just try and help for oops. An extra spacer. Oh god, my computer is dying. We need to wait a little bit for it to wake up. But from what I've read, I'm wondering if we need to pass on these flags. But this says it will change the file. So maybe it's just changing, it's not a small of a feat, changing the files and not actually creating Laravel version. So maybe we need to add all these rules. Thing is, we are using a Laravel plugin for rector, so, well, thinking on it, maybe what it does is applies the upgrade guide for your files, but then you actually need to go in composer updates to Laravel 9. I wonder. Oh, yeah, process. And what was the other option? Process SRC options. What does the SRC does? Yeah, I know. Let's go with it. Yeah. Process SRC. Let's see if this blows up. The SRC directory does not exist. Okay, maybe let's remove the directory mentioning. I haven't talked much about this specific project. It's to manage people for an outsourcing company. It has a lot of Portuguese code mixed in. It was my first Laravel project. I was updating a PHP no framework project to a Laravel one because it had some problems. So it's bad. It's really bad. I started this project back in, I don't know, 2014, 2015. So it should be a fun one to get back on it and update it using new things that are available for Laravel, things that I've learned meanwhile, things that I want to learn and implement meanwhile. So this has been a project that has always been on the back of my mind as a fun one to get on with it. And rector is done. And what did rector do? There were maybe 14 files that were changed. Is the composer JSON? Yeah, still the same. Okay, so I wonder if we add this with Laravel setlist up to PHP 82. What will it happen? I mean, I'm just adding rules now to see if anything else happens. We can also see the rules that I used on this blog post. Oops, sorry. See? Funny thing, first time I tried to do a live video, a mailman also came by, and still I haven't learned how to pause the live stream, so yay! This is still going on. So let's see what rules are using here. Medium types. I think we can, hell, just go for it. So just copy this and we'll add it after this command finishes running. But yeah, what I think is happening is that rector is bringing our files, modifying our files to comply with the rules that we set it. In case of the Laravel rules, I think it should be applying whatever modifications there are to bring it up to Laravel 9. And then we'll actually need to go on the composer.json file and upgrade it to Laravel 9, I think. I'm thinking that when you look at the upgrade guide for Laravel versions, sometimes you see that you need to pull in different packages, remove some others. I wonder if rector will do that to our composer.json, or if you need to go version by version and upgrade that ourselves. We see that we now have 501 files being changed. Is one of them the composer.json file? We'll see. Are there any other links that might help us? Oh, this is patchy one. Automatically upgrading your code to PHP 8 using rector. I think I need to take a look at that later. Safely upgrade using rector. Let's see. Instant upgrades. Rector now supports upgrades from 5.3 to 8 and major open source projects like Laravel, and it does automated refactoring. And we can read a book to support the creators. Yeah, we've installed it, run it, modify it. What are they doing here? Set list code quality. Here we can define what sets of rules will be applied. Code quality. Are we using that? Hello, hello, computer. Why are you failing on me? Oh, actually, just looking at the date, my computer is 11 years old. Yeah, so that's why the processor is dying. I haven't upgraded the processor yet, so that should be it. Are we using the... We're not. Okay, so the code quality flag, I think it should be a cool one to import. PHP version 1, I think we're, yeah, up to PHP 2. Is there a link with all the rules? Yay, there is one. But I think this code quality one, let's see what this, oh God, I can't select this, okay. Shouldn't this be showing something? But all 501 files are being shown here. Oh, 501 changes on 231 files. Oh, that's nice. You see, variables in Portuguese. God, gives me the shivers when I look at that. So we're a little bit better now. Let's try and do that code quality thing. Yeah, I was looking forward to seeing the rules, but blank screen, not that fun. I wonder if we just need to import this and use it here. Can we see more? Oh, yeah. Let's just go on and have fun with this, shall we? Coding style, yeah. That's why not? Good. Yeah. Not using this, not this. I mean, we're going for a full-on refactor, so it can't hurt. Privatization. What the hell is this? Declaration, I think. Yeah. Returns, definitely. Is this it? Can we add anything else? Oh, let's just see what the parallel. Oh, we can't. Hello. What this parallel does. I get some parallel errors. Yeah, but how can I? No idea. Let's run this once more. I think there may be many more files being changed this time. Oh, it will blow up on us. Yeah. It should run now. Is there anything else we can do? We're shut. But I wonder if Laravel News has an article on Rector too. Safely upgrade. Yeah. Yeah, you see, we still need to change the composer.json ourselves. What will it do for me? Let's see, Laravel News Rector. No, nothing. Is it going? It is. Rector. There's nothing on Laravel News on it. Yeah, it's a shame. Where is this article? I think this is a book. Yeah. It's a fun book to read if your job mainly. I think it should be a fun one to read if your job mainly goes around working with refactoring. Oh, also, I should mention for refactoring real live applications with Rector or anything else, you really should have tests done before you even touch the code. Yeah, that's something that I need to get on with for this project, is to have tests done. I should be doing them before upgrading the code, but this is a side project and it's really old, so we'll be doing it the other way around. Oh, here it is. Director rules. I knew I saw a list of it somewhere. You see when you skim through reading things? Yay! And there's a whole bunch of them. Fun. This should be fun. Let's see. PHP 8.2. Let's look for it. PHP 8.2. Yeah, it will go and change your files. Coding style. So I think we can also add coding style like we did to code quality. I'm wondering how many files will be changed this time now. Coding style. Type declaration. Yeah, I think we'll be using all of those. I wish this would go on a bit faster. Or maybe it could show a progress bar so we can see something moving at least and know that it is working. Oh, I'll need to run in a few minutes. Let's see if this finishes up before that. Hello. I think, yeah, the processor is blowing up. Where the hell is Discord still running? And Skype. Oh God. Oops. Oopsie. No. And the type declaration. Yeah, all those rules are here. Unfortunately, I've killed my process, so. Oh. Well, everyone, I need to run for today. My alarm is going on. What we'll be doing next time, sorry, let's kill that alarm, is actually running this command and see what rector will do to our files, and then proceed to upgrade the composer.json to Laravel 9. Well, I hope you had fun and saw how to go on and try to reuse rector on an old project, and see you next time. Bye.